Hey guys, bienvenidos to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you all a fall decor haul. I did take a poll on Instagram and a lot of you wanted to see like the vlog portion of it because I did vlog a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the vlog first, and then right after that I will show you everything that I ended up getting. Again, this is like a mixture of like Hobby Lobby and a couple things from Marshals. So if you want to see what it is that I got, go ahead and keep on watching. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, and also my hair low-key looks really weird right now. It all makes sense a little bit, but I'm currently going to Hobby Lobby and I figured why not vlog slash make this a haul. So that is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try to go to Hobby Lobby, excuse that I'm missing a nail, Hobby Lobby, Marshalls, and Target. I'm gonna try to go to those three places right now and see. I was thinking of going to Stockton, but girl, Stockton is sometimes a little sketcherson, and I don't know if I want to go at night. Wait, should I go? Also, do songs ever trigger you guys? Because I hate going anywhere by myself, right? And tell me why a song that played right now literally triggered me to my core. Like to the point where I just wanted to go home and sulk. And I was like, no girl, just go to Hobby Lobby. That'll cure everything. Shopping cures everything, right? Right. Overall, I think that was a successful first place. Now off to Marshalls. Also, I didn't realize how weird my hair actually looks. I've looked like this all day. I was able to find a lot of pumpkins that weren't orange, so we're here for that. There was two pumpkins in particular I had my eye on. I was able to find those, so I got those, and they're all half off, 50% off everything. So like I said, now on to Marshalls. I'm gonna go ahead and start with what I got at Marshall's. I literally didn't find as much things as I thought I would. I was hoping I would find like some pillows and stuff, or even like pillowcases. Nothing. There is no Halloween aesthetic stuff, at least for me. So the first thing I did find was this pumpkin. The moment I saw it, actually stacked pumpkin, the moment I saw it I knew it was for me because there was literally nothing prettier in everything that I found. So I am not a big fan of Ray Dunn, but I saw this. Do you guys see it? Boo spooky. And it's iridescent. I just knew it had to come home with me. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I might put it either here in my room, but also because the walls are white, I think I might go in my living room. So again, I'm not super sure, but that is what it looks like. Spooky and boo. And it's just iridescent all the way around. This one was $24.99, and that's the thing. Hobby Lobby was having a 50% off all their fall decor. So literally everything I got was half off. This at Marshall's was not half off, but also it's Ray Dunn, so what did I expect? The next thing I got at Marshall's, mainly because I have been wanting a skull. I don't like the regular skulls, if that makes sense. Like I was looking for a specific skull type. And your girl is into a lot of documentaries. I watch a lot of like Forensic Files, a lot of Criminal Minds, a lot of just like criminal investigations, okay? And when I saw this one, the moment I saw it, I knew I had to have it because it is a skull, right? But it has all like the medical terms for all the different parts of the head. Like, how pretty is that? Like, it literally has just like all the names. So I was like, this is so cute, because it's also educational. There was also another one that I saw, and it was like a unicorn skull. It was just like the unicorn and then the horn, but it kind of looked off to me a little bit, so I just got this one instead. But Isn't she pretty? So last year I found a couple of pumpkins that were velvet, and I actually got those at Safeway of all places. And I think I have like 4 or 3, and they're velvet, and they have like, Anyways, that's kind of the aesthetic I was going for. And then I found this giant one at Hobby Lobby. It was hidden. Again, it is like a burnt orange color. It is very dark. It just looks like that. Like, as you can see, how pretty is it? The little stem has a little bit of like gold in it, which again, like the whole thing is like gold and gem tone colors. This one, how much was this one? I don't think it even says the price. Oh yeah, it was $29.99 and it was half off. So that is what that looks like. Again, it's just like squishy, but I like it. Actually, I think this one might end up here in my room. The next one is another iridescent-y pumpkin, and this one is in like this teal color. I found, I think, a couple of these, but this one was the only one I liked. I thought the orange one was too orange for the aesthetic I'm going for. So I saw this one and I thought it was perfect. This one was $12.99, half off. What is that, $6.50? So again, super cute. I'm not sure again where any of this is going, but I just knew I had to have it. So on top of my toilet, I have had an orchid there for the longest time, and I figured, you know what, I should probably switch it up for like the seasons. I found this one right here. This one was $12.99, ended up being $6. It is just like this like brown colored vase. I just thought it was really pretty, and I figured if I added something fall on the top and sat that on top of my toilet, it would look really pretty. It looks really dark for some reason, but I think that's because the lighting is in front of it, but it's a little bit lighter in person. In my kitchen, this is another thing that I knew exactly where it was going. In my kitchen, I have a little windowsill. During the summer, spring months, I have these little succulents that I got at IKEA, I believe, that just sit up there, and it's 3 little succulents, and I was like, you know what? I need like 3 small pumpkins. Couldn't find any anywhere. At the end, close to when I was leaving, I found this set right here of 3 pumpkins. I like them because, again, they were more on the muted side of things. They weren't as like vibrant, especially like this orange if you look at it. So yeah, these 3 will be sitting on that little ledge. And also for that little ledge, I saw this. So either this is gonna go in the bathroom or those 3 pumpkins are gonna go in the bathroom. Haven't really decided. But I also found this one that is, again, very thin, like as you can see, so it can fit perfectly on that little ledge. And it's just these 2 white pumpkins. And I liked it because this has like this texture, and then this has like this little thing on it, and then just like this. It also kind of reminded me of a cutting board. So again, might go in the kitchen, might go in the bathroom, not sure. And then I just have a lot of different like areas throughout my house where I have like a little shelf or like a little something where I'm like, I could throw a pumpkin up there. I have little shelves here that I could throw a pumpkin. Like over by my end tables, I could throw like a small pumpkin. So I had actually seen these before the sale had started. It is just this pumpkin that is like an orangey, I don't know, it's like an orangey yellow color. It's interesting. But again, it just has like this glitter that I like because anything is shiny. So I got that one. I also managed to get it in this like cream colored version, also again with the sparkles. I also kind of liked it because it's not like a plain pumpkin. Like if I zoom in really close, you can see it kind of has that like fabric texture to it, which again, I liked. The next 2 pumpkins I found, I wasn't sure what I'm gonna do with them, but they were cutes. So I might stick them into something, or I might even stick them into that vase along with like some flowers. But I just thought these were cute. Again, this like orange is very muted, and then just like this beige color. I like this one because it did have like this stripe of black. These are like the final things. So the first thing I see in this bag is actually a tumbler that I got for my niece, because I was like, you know, she needs a cute little sippy cup tumbler, and this one is like very much fall themed. It just has like little raccoon, a little fox, a little squirrel, just like different little critters, and I thought it was cute. I also found this pumpkin right here. This one is actually, it has a light, so let me just pull out this little, let's see. Ooh, she's pretty, she's glowing. But again, I liked it because it's not like a regular pumpkin. It has these different little cutouts. It was almost giving me like a papel picado vibe. If you don't know what papel picado is, it's like this Mexican tradition where they like cut out almost like how we used to do in school, like the little snowflakes and stuff, but it's like the Mexican little banderitas. Anyway, so this kind of just reminded me of like papel picado on. I just thought it's cute. And then lastly, I got 2 of these. They were on sale because I want to put one in my kitchen or over my kitchen window. And I don't know if you guys saw my Christmas decor video, but during Christmas I put a garland on top of my sink window in the kitchen, and then I also put a garland in my living room. And so I got 2 of these. Basically just this, it has gold leaves, just like plain beige leaves, gold leaves, and again it's just a garland. So I got 2 of these, one to go in the living room and then one to go in the kitchen. So I might need to go get another one because I don't know if this will reach across my TV stand, but if not, I'll have to see what I'm gonna do. So actually there's one more thing. Hold on, 1 second. Okay, the final item, which is actually the first thing I bought technically, but I completely forgot to show it, is actually from HomeGoods. This is the only thing I found from HomeGoods that I liked. It is this pumpkin right here. It is iridescent again, but it has all these little lines and textures to it. It does have like some little copper spots around it, like I don't know if you see here and like here. It just has like different spots throughout, but I just thought it was really pretty. That's what it looks like with the light on. That's what it looks like with the light off. I just really love anything iridescent. So this one, like the textures, and then this little top is gold. So again, I just thought that was pretty. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Hopefully this will inspire you to get into the fall mood, the fall vibes. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite thing that I got. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Some besitos. You've really been... I cannot speak today. Maybe the lighting was off. I swear if the lighting was off in this whole video, I'm gonna be mad. They were more on the muted toned. Blah. Que calor, que calor, que calor, que calor. She's a nail girl now, apparently. Bye guys.